In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up sales and discounts on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Sales and discounts on Etsy help increase conversions, attract more buyers, and create urgency, which can boost your overall shop performance. Now, if you want to set up sales and discounts on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. Next, go to the marketing section and click on sales and discounts. This is where you manage all your promotions. After that, click on create a new special offer. You'll see different options like running a sale, creating a promo code, or setting up targeted offers. Then, choose the type of discount you want. You can select a percentage off, a fixed amount discount, or even free shipping depending on your strategy. Now, customize your offer. Set the discount value, choose the start and end dates, and select which listings you want to include in the promotion. Once everything is set, preview your discount to make sure all details are correct, then activate the offer. Also, keep your strategy in mind. Short-term discounts can create urgency, while targeted offers like abandoned cart coupons can help recover lost sales. That's it. By setting up the right discounts and timing them well, you can increase traffic, improve conversions, and grow your Etsy shop faster.